Okay, hello guys. I've noticed something that I want to teach you. Okay, I don't know if you know about it. I have this second screen here to connecting through my USB hub onto my VGA to my monitor. Okay, that's it. If you have USB hub 4-in-1, 10-in-1, or whatever, just plug it into your USB-C port on your system and you are good to go. Connect your VGA or even your HDMI from your TV or monitor like this. I don't know. And if you look closely, this chest screen, second monitor from my USB hub and OBS. Now I've noticed something on OBS. I just discover. I don't know if you know about it. Let's go to the preview side here. This one, the Bible studies here, and right click on it and go to Open Preview Projector. So that means any kind of preview you click on it without using the multi-view, you can show up here, and that's very simple. Okay, so Open Preview Projector, click on the monitor's name here. So this monitor is this one. That's the third one here. The first one is my PC screen, second one is my splitter, that's my TV splitter, third one is this one. Okay, so let's click on the third one. You can see this is my preview. If I click on Bible studies video, so this is the preview here, and it's very simple. Main offering and scripture, altar call, solo, thanksgiving, and you can also transition it on the screen there. Okay, and Bible, and you can see, oh, this is very simple. And if you don't know anything about it, just very simple for you to know on OBS, and boom, it's that. You can also do that on Vimiz, and that's very simple. Okay, so thank you for watching.
That's right.